Well, good afternoon to you all, all our bass anglers. What have I got in stock for you guys? Our Outlaw bass rods, two models, spinning and casting. In the casting models, I've got it from a 6'3", going all the way up to a 7'2", and in my spinning, I've only got it from a 6 foot up to a 7'2", I think, if I'm not mistaken. Nevertheless, I've got them all in stock. As you can see, top quality. When we design these rods, remember the bass guys, it's all about sensitivity. All about sensitivity, and we've gone an extra mile for that sensitivity. You will look very, very far to find the price range you get, the quality you get. Then also this comes in a nice neoprene bag. As you can see there, nice soft, lovely bag to protect your rod if you don't want to put it into your sleeve. Most of the guys put them in their sleeves, but if you don't want to, it comes in that bag. High-end quality reel seat, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful guides, and it is beautifully done, designed. So, guys, at the bottom, you'll see the prices, which they're going for. And the boss decided that he's going to give it to us on a good price. So have a look at the bottom, come in, come and test them, come and feel them. I've also got a range of them which I fish. I don't fish bass that often. I don't get chance for it because of all the other facets. But I must be honest with you that these were some of the best I've ever had in my hands. So come into the store, come and have a look at them, come feel them, come test them. And if you ask me nicely, I'll let you have a spin in my koi pond so you can pull a lure and feel how it feels. Without a hook, obviously, yes. So come into the store, come and see me.